In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze part of a video in CapCut PC. If you need to pause your footage on one specific frame so viewers have enough time to read text on screen, but you don't want your voiceover or audio to stop, this is one of the easiest ways to do it in CapCut on PC. It only takes a few quick moves on the timeline, and once you know where the freeze tool is, it becomes a very fast editing trick you can use anytime. To begin, you'll first want to target the exact frame you want to freeze. Go down to your timeline and click once on your main video clip so it becomes highlighted. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you're editing before you apply the freeze. Once the clip is selected, move the vertical white playhead across the timeline until you land on the exact moment you want to hold on screen. Take a second here and be precise, especially if you're freezing on a formula, a key visual, or any frame that viewers need time to look at clearly. Once your playhead is sitting on the right frame, the next step is to isolate that pause frame. Move your cursor up to the small shortcut toolbar located directly above the timeline lanes. In that toolbar, click the freeze icon, which looks like a small snowflake inside a box. As soon as you click it, CapCut instantly cuts the clip at that point and creates a freeze frame section using the exact image shown at the playhead. Now look back at your timeline. You'll see that CapCut has added a separate turquoise block labeled Freeze right where the playhead was placed. That block is the still frame. By default, CapCut sets this freeze duration to 3 seconds, which is often enough for a quick pause, but you can easily make it longer if your voiceover needs more time. To adjust it, hover your cursor over the far right edge of that turquoise freeze block until you can grab the border handle. Then click and drag it to the right to extend the length. This stretches the frozen image for as long as you need, while the rest of your timeline audio continues playing underneath without interruption. That's what makes this method so useful for tutorials, presentations, and explainer videos. And that's it. With the playhead lined up, the snowflake freeze command applied, and the turquoise block extended to the right duration, you've successfully frozen part of your video in CapCut PC. Done.